This is the BK Mueller 888-565 stem assembly. Now this is the new style, so it'll work for those red handled faucets. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the packaging here. A couple things to notice about this stem is down here on this end here, it'll come with two metal washers and that rubber gasket there. So the way that'll go, there will be a flat washer down at the bottom going up to that rubber gasket, and then that metal washer there has almost like a cupped shape. So that'll sit right on top of that gasket. Sit right like that. And then coming down to this end, you're going to have that screw with that rubber gasket, and coming down to those three threads. Now we can go ahead and get a couple measurements of the stem, starting with a total length. So from the head of that screw to the end of the stem, see, it measures right at about 17 3/4 inches. And we can also get a measurement of just this end piece here, somewhere from where it's soldered to that head of the screw. That will measure right at about 1.5 inches. Okay, then we can also get an outer diameter and a height of that rubber gasket down on the end of that stem. So we'll start with a height or thickness, and that'll measure right at about 1/4 inch, with an outer diameter of right at about 3/4 inch. So once again, this is the BK Mueller 888-565 stem assembly.